Guys, just here for our little potential and kinetic energy virtual lab. Okay, I got my three objects. Okay, you guys have the mass of them in the one PowerPoint I shared. We got our metal block. Okay, pretty sure that this is aluminum. Okay, we got a wooden block here. Okay, and some good old Edgar Allan Poe. Okay, October's coming up. Good creepy reads. Okay, so earlier today, I set this up. Okay, we have our little height scale here. Okay, every little green line here is 1 meter difference. Okay, so we have 1 meter here, 2 meters high. Okay, the blue line, okay, would be a quarter. Okay, so this one is half a meter. So we go 1/2 meter. Okay, this would be 0.75 meters. 1 meter, 1.25 meter, okay, and then we go on. And you guys can look at the label, okay, scale that I put in the PowerPoint document to help you out, okay. But the idea is we're going to figure out, okay, the potential energy of these objects, okay, as they would be at level D, level A, level C, and level B. Okay. And naturally, we will be gaining potential energy as we go up. Okay. So the idea is, based off of this data that you're going to see here about where they're spaced out, okay, estimate roughly where these points are, okay, for your height measurements. So use the demarcations that I put into the PowerPoint. But also, okay, as we have them set out here, again, this is half a meter. This is 0.75 meters. So level D isn't exactly at 1 meter yet. Okay? So use that in your calculations when you figure it out. Okay. Now, with regards to some data that you're going to use later, okay, we're going to have to figure out how fast this block is traveling, okay, when it's released from level C. So right now, I'm going to convert all this potential energy into kinetic. We're going to figure out later in the lab how fast this thing's traveling when it falls. So here we go. Wonderful. Okay. So what I'd like you guys to do to start things out is figure out, again, the potential energy the three items have, the metal, the book, and the wood, if I were to put them at level A, level B, level C, and level D. You can start out with that, and as usual, let me know if you guys have questions.